Hey guys, Abner Miranda here. Today I wanted to show you something that I've been waiting for a long time to come in. I've got a stack of these on order with SB Tactical, and a buddy of mine just got his the other day, and I really wanted to show this to you guys. This is one of the 7.5s that I do, and it is equipped with the SBA3. The brace has a strap that has a new material on it that has a bit more stretch to it than the previous one does, so what you're not going to end up with is that floppy mess that was always just kind of wanging around on the back here. Beautifully designed, very well molded. The coolest thing about this is that when you get it in the box, it comes on a 6-position carbine tube. Okay, good quality aluminum 6-position carbine tube. At 5 pounds 7 ounces, you're talking about a weapon that can spend protracted periods of time in a bag on your back, and it doesn't fatigue you. Those of us who have been tasked with carrying firearms absolutely know that there's nothing cool about carrying a gun, especially a heavy gun. So if you've got a light gun on you that you can hide in plain sight, then it's all the better. And remember that a 7.5 shooting M193 will bust body armor, level 3A armor. Because remember, the bad guys do wear armor. I cannot say enough about this brace. It tickles my fancy like you don't even know, which is why a couple weeks ago I went ahead and I changed everything on my website. From now on, this is the only brace that I'm building my pistols with, period. Here's the biggest reason why. Let's say you get your AR-15 pistol and you're like, woo, snitches! And you have, you go on a shooting glut, you run from one class to another, shooting and shooting and shooting. But there's this little party that's like, oh, I want to have an SBR like those cool guys over there. So you're like, okay, cool, so I'm going to go there. So you register the thing. Well, you can still run this thing with a brace, right? And when you get your paperwork, all you do is pull this tab, pull this off, grab your stock, slide it in place, pull the tab, slide it in place, and it's now a short-barreled rifle. Obviously, you have to tag it like I've tagged this one inside the mag well. Yes, this is registered. But now you've gone from AR-15 pistol to short-barreled rifle. No tooling, no frustrations, no skinning your knuckles because you had to redo a bunch of junk back here. You're done. So I hope you guys are kind of starting to understand where I'm going with this. You're looking at a 100% fix as far as I'm concerned. This is it. It can't possibly get better unless this is somehow improved upon, because this is really flippin' cool. If you can bridge the gap mentally and disassociate yourself from this need to have an SBR, you'll recognize what this really is, which is why 100% across the board, this is the only brace I'm building with anymore. Because for me as a builder, the equations of building rifles and pistols have all been solved because of this piece right here. Now I'm not having to go and buy a bunch of pistol tubes and a bunch of carbine tubes. All I have to buy is a bunch of carbine tubes. And actually I don't even have to buy that because they come with the brace. So there you go, guys. As always, I thank you for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. Have a good one.